Can the future really be predicted? Science says yes, at least partly. The field that studies this is called foresight, and it's not about fortune-telling or guesswork. Foresight is a structured process of exploring how science, technology, and society might evolve using data, logic, and imagination together. At its core, foresight is about identifying weak signals, early signs of change that most people overlook. These could be unusual patent filings, a surge of interest in a new material, shifts in public values, or changes in how young people communicate. Once collected and analyzed, these signals form the raw material for scenarios, models of possible futures built through data analysis and expert interpretation. Unlike simple forecasting, which extends existing trends, foresight accepts that the future is full of uncertainty and surprise. It uses tools like big data analytics, horizon scanning, and expert panels to build several plausible versions of what might happen. For example, in medicine, foresight studies might map out how artificial intelligence could transform diagnostics, or how demographic aging will change healthcare systems. In energy, it could explore scenarios ranging from a hydrogen-based economy to a world still dominated by fossil fuels. When done rigorously, this method achieves up to 85–90% accuracy in anticipating key developments. Not because it guesses details perfectly, but because it identifies the conditions under which certain outcomes become likely. Foresight shows the structure of change, even if it cannot name every event. Governments and corporations use foresight to make long-term decisions: where to invest, which technologies to support, what skills to develop. It informs national innovation agendas and corporate research portfolios. The logic is simple. By understanding multiple potential futures, organizations can act today in ways that remain effective tomorrow. Foresight integrates insights from economics, sociology, engineering, and psychology. It also borrows methods from systems theory and complexity science, recognizing that social and technological change rarely follows a straight line. Sudden leaps, a breakthrough discovery, or a global crisis can redefine trajectories overnight. Preparing for such discontinuities is exactly what foresight is designed to do. To work with foresight, one needs curiosity more than a specific degree. Foresighters are trained to connect dots across distant fields, linking quantum computing to energy security or climate change to migration policy. They combine analytical precision with creative imagination, seeing both the data and the story behind it. Ultimately, foresight is not about predicting one future, but about understanding the landscape of possibilities. It helps individuals and institutions move from reacting to shaping, from waiting for change to designing it. So, can we predict the future with 85% accuracy? Not in the sense of prophecy, but in the scientific sense of anticipating where the world is heading and preparing for it before others do. That, in essence, is what foresight makes possible, a disciplined way of seeing tomorrow, today.